You look tired.
I'm wide awake. I don't know what you mean. It's rude.
Ew. Ew. I got that on camera. You're grooming me like an ape. So, we are going to perm Donovan's hair. It's currently 10:30 at night on Saturday. Why we decided to do it this way, I couldn't tell you. So we're going to try to get a little bit of some kind of wave in his hair, hopefully. That's the goal. We're not trying to get ringlet curls, but if that's the way that this happens, then we'll call you Ramen.
I guess.
I did go to Salon Centric and pick up everything that I needed. I will have all the stuff that I used in the description box, or things that I can find that are similar to it. So this is my first time doing this. I've literally never done it. I have my kitchen gloves because we forgot to pick up like disposable gloves. So we'll just see how this goes. First we're going to wash his hair.
I'll cut his arms off. I'll cut his legs off.
Well, that's not how it goes.
Huh?
His legs are cut off. His arms are cut off.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can go that mental freeze.
Baptize you in the name of the Father. Oh, it feels. Oh, it's a little too hot still. Oh, it feels good, but like, ouch.
It's 11:30. That took me an hour, and I know I didn't do it right. But he looks great, doesn't he?
Never looked better.
Never looked better. Shampoo hair, check. Wrap hair with moderate even tension, check. Kill my husband.
About there.
Addition A to bottle B, shake well. Oh, it says add lotion.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, so this one is A into B. Sniff off tip of bottle B, evenly apply to all rods. Blot all lotion from scalp and nape.
Man, my breath stinks, or the shirt stinks. one of those two. Or it's probably whatever the heck is in those bottles. Wow, that is potent. It smells like eggs. Oh my gosh. I wish I didn't have to breathe.
You're okay.
Oh my gosh, that stinks!
So
Are you shoving it in my face?
No.
Oh, that's awful.
Well, I'm definitely supposed to be using gloves right now.
I'm really trying to hold my breath as long as I can.
Here, breathe through your mouth.
Oh my gosh!
Are you okay?
It feels like you just stuffed a rotten egg in my mouth. I can't breathe. Oh my gosh, what is this? Terrible. It's everywhere. What is that?
Oh, no. Just hold on, you're okay.
That is the worst ever. Good catch. Kara just about KO'd me. I thought it was just the shirt at first.
You thought my shirt
I was
smelled like
wow,
eggs?
this is some really bad BO. Like, holy crap.
You okay?
Yeah, it wasn't as bad that time. Or I just got used to the scent.
Yeah. Blot all lotion from scalp and nape. Cover all wrapped rods with a plastic bag. Okay, then we put the plastic bag.
I'm smelling egg and skunk or whatever the combo is.
Here,
That
can
was
you-
what it
Can you
was.
lift your head?
I didn't do ab day. They're not ready.
Take it back. I just set an alarm for 15 minutes because that's how long it says to wait. And we'll just pray that something happens.
Ah! It's so hot! That is so hot.
I'm sorry.
Crank it all the way up. My God. Scald marks on my forehead. My neck is tired of holding up my fat head. Ah. It's so tired. Like genuinely, I can't hold it.
What do you mean?
It's shaking.
Yeah, put your hands behind your neck and hold it up that way.
Oh my God. Probably shouldn't have my mouth open.
You do got a heavy head. There's not brains going on up there.
No, it's just a lot of bones.
And then we're gonna sit here and we're gonna blot it.
Ow. It just feels so good to just let go.
What is happening?
I do feel like I just can't control my head.
I'm actually gonna pee my pants.
You can change my diaper after you're done.
Now we let it air dry for 5 minutes. Okay, we're now taking the neutralizer after waiting 5 minutes and let it air dry. Taking this and neutralizing these bad boys. Look at your hair, that's crazy.
Those are really messy.
It looks cool. And then I think like if you get product in it.
You mean that's supposed to put product in it?
No. Oh my word. I am like shocked at how well that curled.
It just looks really, really messy to me. Oh, my glasses though.
I definitely missed some bits.
What the heck? Well, that's really crazy. Huh.
I like it.
It's different. That's for sure. Jeez.
I kind of love it, I'm not gonna lie.
Some of them are really curly. Jeez.
You look so different.
Me and you me. Yeah, it looks nice.
Here, look at me.
I think I'll just have to adjust to it.
Yeah, I mean, and plus once you get product in there, and I think you need to get the sides of it trimmed.
Yeah. Like the haircut here.
Yeah.
And probably over here too, and just leave the middle bit maybe curly.
Look
Yeah,
at you.
it looks nice.
Wow.
It's funky. It's fun.
We're going to bed. We're going to clean this up and go to bed. We'll text you guys later.